You mean slowly past Cairo?
You mean it's all over Cairo or what? That nigga belongs to you, boy.
Of course he does.
You're mighty young to own him. You sure he ain't a runaway?
Goodness sake. Tell me this. Would a runaway run south?
No, allow me wouldn't.
Nope. To Jim's my only belonging in this whole world. My pa was killed when this steamboat was run over, or this raft was run over by a steamboat. And I've had considerable trouble with people not believing me and trying to take Jim away from me.
At that site, you reckon we could travel with you for a few days?
Yeah, that'd be all right.
We'd be much obliged.
Well, you two can sleep here on the deck and we'll stop in the morning and have breakfast.
We have to sleep on these rough planks, but I can catch my death of pneumonia.
Beats that jail we just busted out. Hey, what's your usual line of business?
Oh, I'm a theater actor, you know, tragedy. I also sell a product that takes the tartar off of your teeth. And it does take it off, but generally the enamel along with it. How about you?
Preaching's my specialty. Of course, I've done considerable in the way of doctoring, you know, laying on of hands for paralysis and cancer and such like. Hey, almost anything as long as it ain't work. What say we go together for a spell?
I'm not indisposed.
Now, I didn't rightly know where to work. Now that we have been to Ohio, we'll float upriver, that's for sure. So, we're no better to do than keep floating downriver. Thought we were doing that? We're no reason why them two couldn't tag along. Besides, I was thinking it was time for a change again. Them days was sliding by so smooth it was almost dull. But this raft became uncommon lively with them two along.
Damn! What? Relax for the tail! Go by it! There's an unweeded garden that goes to seed. Throw physics to the dogs, all none of it. Friends, romance, countryman!
Is that chicken ready yet?
Hold on.
I don't see why we got to share our chicken with you.
Oh, don't we? I would expect somebody to do the very same for me if I was in trouble. Yeah, we can eat now.
Ain't you gonna join us?
Well,
What are you laughing for?
to think that I should have lived leading such a life, be degraded down to such companions.
What's the matter? Ain't the company good enough for you?
Yes, as good as I deserve. For who brought me so low when I was high? Myself. But one thing I know, there's a grave somewhere for me. And one day I will lie down in it and forget all. And my poor broken heart will be at rest.
What are you heaving your busted heart at us for? We ain't done nothing.
I'm not blaming you, gentlemen. I brought myself down.
Throw yourself down from what?
You'd never believe me. The world never believes the secret of my birth. But 'tis no matter. Let it pass.
All right, we'll let it pass.
No! I want to hear the secret of your birth.
By rights, I am a duke.
A dude.
No, you can't mean it.
Yes, my grandfather, the eldest son of the Duke of Bridgewater, fled to this country to breathe the pure air of freedom before he died. He left behind two sons. The eldest, Rob the youngest of this title. I am his descendant, the rightful Duke of Bridgewater. Here I am, following my high estate,
wonderful. That's mighty wonderful.
Here, yeah. What do we call you?
Well, you might call me Your Grace, or my Lord, or Your Lordship. But I've been minded to just call me plain Bridgewater.